Konnichiwa guys. I hope you are doing very well. Today's video is about to draw the basic shape of hand. My dear subscribers have requested me a lot for this video and I am very sorry for being so late. So this is the first part and there will be more parts of it in future where I will talk about more advanced levels and more advanced position of hand. So now let's start the video. So first we will draw the basic structure of the hand and I am going to draw a pentagon shape, and this shape is going to be the palm of our hand and this is the basic structure. So now we will draw the basic shape of the finger one by one, and for now we will do the rough sketch and then we will go to detailing. So first I'm going to draw the index finger, then the middle finger, and then the ring finger, and at last the little finger. So now from that point I'm going to draw the thumb, and these all are the basic shape of our 5 fingers. Now just make a little curve from this point and from this point, because we all know our hand looks like a round shape, you know. Our fingers are not the same in size. Each one is different in size and it's like this curve, upward to downward. So we have to keep in mind the size of our fingers. So all of our fingers are divided into 3 parts, and I'm going to mark the 3 parts of all our finger, and these marks are called interphalangeal. So after completing the basic sketch of our hand, we are going to add a little detailing. So watch very carefully. Our fingers are not straight. It's like little curve. So there are many curves in our finger. If we see our hand, we can see that in our hand and in our finger there are different type of curves. I mean, there are many curves, small curves, and we have to keep in mind that our hand is not straight. So try to remember the curve. This part are curvy in shape, so don't draw a straight line, make a little curve. These also are curvy, not a straight line. I will show you the practical of our hand. So this is the bump of our palm. There are basically 2 bumps, 1 and 2, and these are the line, and this is the wrist. I'm going to add a little curve more because it will give a very good result. So try to keep the curve. These are the palm line and these two are the bump, and this is the wrist. Okay, so this is the curvy point like this, and this is the interphalangeal, and these are the interphalangeal, and these are the three parts of our finger. Each of our finger divided into three parts, and it's like curve, it's not like a straight line, so keep in mind to make it curvy. And these are the bump, the one and the second. These are the two bump of our palm. And this is another line, and it's also curvy, it's not straight, it's not straight, it's like a curve, so keep in mind. And our fingers in different in size, and it's like curve. The longest finger is the middle finger, and the index finger and the ring finger is average, and the smallest is the little finger. So it's not straight line, it's like a curve. So this is the basic shape of our palm. It's like a pentagon. As I show you, these are the 5 parts, the 5 lines, and this is the basic shape of hand. So this is the basic shape of our hand. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.